Hello kids, this is a story of an elephant. Bless you. Now start. All was quiet in the jungle, and then this is a jungle. Elephant set off for her walk. She thumped along and soon she saw Tiger trying to fly his kite. But there was no breeze at all. The kite flopped to the ground. Here is a tiger and he is trying to fly a kite. But there is no breeze, so kite flopped to the ground. What a lovely kite, said Elephant. Can I help you to fly it? She asked. No, thank you, said Tiger. Sorry, said Elephant. Here is elephant. Elephant plodded on feeling and little sad. She wished that she could help Tiger. Then she came to the lake and saw Zebra trying to sail her boat, but there was not even a little puff of wind. So the boat just floated there and did not move. Here is a zebra and he is trying to sail a boat, but boat is not move. There was not even a little puff of wind. That's why. What a great boat, said Elephant. Can I help you to sail it? She asked. No, thank you, said Zebra. Sorry, said Elephant. Elephant plodded on feeling very sad. She wished that she could help Zebra. Here is a both zebra and elephant. Elephant came to a tree and saw parrot trying to show her children how to fly. Elephant came to a tree and saw parrot trying to show her children how to fly. But it would take a gal to make them take off. The children were too scared to move. Here is a elephant and here is a parrot and her children. What brave children, said Elephant. Can I help you to teach them? She asked. No, thank you, said Parrot. Sorry, said Elephant. She plodded on feeling very sad. She wished that she could help Parrot. Soon she heard a loud roar. It was Lion and he was not happy. He was trying to dry his messy wet mane, but it would take a gust to blow those locks dry. Here is a tiger and here is a elephant. Elephant tiptoed past as fast as she could. She felt so sad. I wish that I could help Lion, she said to herself, but I don't think that he would let me go near his lovely hair. I am too big and clumsy to help my friends. Elephant and tiger. She came to water hole. A bath will make me feel better, said elephant. So she rubbed the soap and made some bubbles. Then, oh dear, her tongue got a tickle and elephant, achoo! Here is elephant, achoo. Elephant sneeze gusted past Lion. Here is a gusted past Lion. Howled past Parrot and her children. Look at this picture. Parrot's children here. Puffed past zebra. Here is a zebra and puffed past zebra. And breezed past tiger. Here is a tiger and now he flying a kite. Breezed past tiger. All of the animals were delighted. Bless you, they shouted. Elephant felt very happy. I did help my friends after all. All animals happy. Here is tiger, parrot children's, parrots, elephant too happy. I did help my friends after all. Elephant felt very happy. Kids, if you like this story, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.